In today's video, you're going to see a gorgeous 1988 Lincoln Town Car. Hello everybody and welcome to Classic Car ChitChat. My name is Kevin. I am thrilled you're joining me today. Today I have the pleasure of introducing you to a gentleman. His name is Les. Now Les has a gorgeous 1988 Lincoln Town Car. This car is fully loaded. It has what they would call a limo kit, which means that it has even extra comfortable cushioned seats, if that's a possibility. It's plush, it's beautiful, it's got cool turning lights on the side of the car. It is a Canadian car, actually purchased from White Oak Ford back in the day. It has the original rims and it has the coolest Landau roof. So without further ado, let's hop in, let's go for a drive, and let's check out this beautiful 1988 Lincoln Town Car. Okay, Les, before you turn it off, rev the engine for me. Wonderful. Can you honk the horn? That is a proper horn. Okay, you can turn her off. Okay, Les, she's gorgeous. There's something about a Lincoln, isn't there?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so tell me, what is this? What year, make, and model?
1988 town car with a limousine kit on it.
Oh, what does that do? When you have a limo kit,
Well,
what
that
do you
gives
get?
you the fancier seats in the back and
Okay.
that sort of stuff.
A little bit more comfortable?
Yeah, it was done originally for the customer at White Oak Ford when it was sold.
What, here in Mississauga?
Yeah.
You mean it's a Mississauga car all her life?
Oh yes.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. I bought it from a friend who inherited it from the original owner.
Wow. So this is the original, everything, color, you name it?
Yep.
I love these roofs. Right? What do you call it? Landau? Is this a
I
Landau?
guess that's what they would call it, yeah.
That is just, this
Yeah.
is the original padding as well?
That's the limousine ID there.
Oh, I see.
AHA limo.
Oh, fantastic. And these light up too?
I think they do. Yeah, I've never turned them on actually. I don't know.
Okay. Hey, look at all these little things here. I never even noticed that they've got... Oh, what is that? Is that a thermometer?
More little trinkets and toys, something like that.
Yes, how about that? Man, she's
They got more
beautiful.
doggone little toys, these cars.
Oh, they are indeed. She's
Yeah.
absolutely lovely. These, I gotta ask you,
Yeah.
these rims are original?
Yes, they are.
Out of the factory, this is how Lincoln produced these?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Man. You know what else is really cool? This sort of thing.
Yeah.
You don't see that. I mean,
They
how
don't-
clever is that, right?
Yeah,
Just so
they
you
don't
can
make
see.
them anymore.
Oh, for sure. But it's so priceless.
Oh, I made
Just
I
gorgeous.
made a boo-boo. I left a whole bunch of dirt on the front of it.
Oh, don't worry. Don't worry.
That's terrible.
I'll avoid looking at the dirt. How about we look at the hood ornament as well?
Yeah.
So this has always been gold, or somebody changed that?
That was done, I guess that was done when the limo kit was
Yes.
done.
Okay, I'm with you. Man,
That's
she's
what I
beautiful.
suspect anyway.
Yeah, I guess it makes sense, right? Because
Yeah.
some of the emblems are in gold now. So.
Yeah.
Now, I have to ask you, I notice on the other side too, there's a gap below where it says town car.
Yeah.
What used to be there?
There
Do
was
you
two
know?
little tags from AHA limo
Oh, okay.
that went on there. I replaced them 2 years ago.
Yeah,
And didn't the darn things fall off again? They come off on the highway.
got it, yes.
So now I'm trying to get a hold of the guy, see if he has any more in stock, because he closed the business down.
Oh, I see. There's just this presence about a car like this.
Oh yeah.
So how long did you say you've had the car?
Oh God. I'd say probably 7 years, maybe 8 years.
Okay. Now I hear from our good friend Gus, you're a bit of a car guy.
Oh yeah.
You've had a number of cars over
Oh,
the
we
years.
always have had.
Oh my gosh, good
Yeah.
for you. Now, well, you're a mechanic?
Yeah.
Okay, so you kind of worked on these yourself?
Oh yeah.
Amazing.
I do all my own maintenance.
Even now, you do as
Still,
much as you
yeah.
can?
Even at 76 years old, I'm still playing.
Oh, you're just a young pup, 76, my ass. Oh, it's fantastic.
Yeah. Oh, I've had so many Lincolns before, and once I got this one, my wife bugged me to buy this one.
Really?
I said, you know,
it appealed to her?
Yeah, and I said, I've had so many Lincolns, I don't think I want to buy another car.
Yeah.
No, go buy it, go
Go
buy
get
it.
it, okay.
So I went and bought it.
What a supportive wife. You don't hear that too often. I wish
No,
my wife
I
would
don't.
tell me to go and buy a car, but
Gosh.
no, she tells me to do this, go get the
Yeah.
groceries, get this, get that. Everything but go and buy the car. Man, she's lovely. Is this a power antenna as well?
Yes, it is.
It is, right?
Yeah. And the other thing, see the roof, this is a custom roof too.
Okay.
Because behind the roof on the sides is 2 windows.
Oh, I see.
And the window on the back was bigger than this to start with, but this roof made it smaller for the limousine kit.
Can we see in the back here? Because you got something else going
You
on here.
most certainly can.
Oh my Lord.
Oh,
Who are
man.
these 2 dolls? Look at that. That's amazing. Les,
Yeah,
I just felt the carpeting in the back. It is so plush.
nice and soft, isn't
Oh
it?
my gosh.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That. Man, it's better carpeting than what I've got in the house.
Yeah, I
It
know, it's
really
weird,
is
eh?
amazing. So
Yeah.
this here,
Yeah.
again, is that like a standard kit? Oh wow.
That's part of the limousine kit.
So nowadays you put your laptop on it, but back in the day you put your drinks on it.
That's right, yeah.
That is just beautiful.
Yeah,
May I see in the front?
you most certainly can.
You know what? I have this thing about a few things. Fender skirts being one of them, chrome being the other, and bench seats being the third. There is something so special about a bench
It
seat.
makes it nice, man.
Oh, totally. Les, this looks like it's the original radio as well,
Oh yeah, yeah.
with a cassette deck.
Yep. I don't know if you can read it or not, but the mileage should be on the dash right in there.
That's it? 55,000?
Yeah, kilometers.
Oh shit, she's hardly even gotten warmed up.
That's it. Convert that to mileage, and it's what,
What, 30
30,
something?
32 or 33,000?
Wow. Incredible. This car has been babied, hasn't it? Like
Oh,
it hasn't
yeah.
been driven. I'm just looking at your little collection of cassettes here. Oh my God. I gotta pull this one out. Sheena Easton.
Yeah.
I grew up in England.
Oh,
I
yeah.
went to actually see her live. She appeared at Woolworths one day.
Oh, my God.
I just happened to be there and I fell in love with her. And she's a tiny little thing as well. I didn't even know that. Reminds me of Shania Twain these days.
Oh yeah.
So cool. Wow. I love the square dials
Yeah.
and everything.
Oh yeah.
So, so nice. Can we look at all this as well? Very, very cool. Can we see the engine?
Certainly.
That's a solid sound right
Oh, is
there,
it
isn't
ever?
it? Man, oh man. So all original.
Yep. No, I gotta hold the hood up.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no. Don't drop it.
Those little cylinders aren't so strong anymore.
Not anymore. Well, they're getting old, right? 1988.
Yeah.
You know, I got married in 1988, so this is as long as I've been married, this car's been around. My God. Fantastic. And a big 5-liter. This is
Yep.
one standard engine that the Lincolns would have had,
Oh, yeah.
right? Have you always been a Ford guy?
Well, mostly.
Yeah?
But I've had Thunderbirds, and I had a 65 T-Bird, a 64 T-Bird.
I know the T-Bird sort of thing with Gus started with you, so you're responsible
Yeah.
for that one. That's,
I've
my
had
gosh.
several Lincolns, about 5 of them.
She's absolutely gorgeous, though.
My first antique car was a 48 Ford.
48 Ford.
Yeah.
Wow. So did you grow up here in Mississauga as well?
No,
Okay.
I started out just south of Peterborough.
Okay.
And
yeah.
then when my mom passed away in 1959, and whoops,
Oh, it's self-closing.
my dad and I moved out of Toronto and
Okay.
moved in with my grandmother.
Got it. You know what? Now you pointed out,
Yeah.
this entire roof, it's so big.
Oh yeah.
Completely. How much space is there in the trunk? I know you said you've got stuff in there.
Oh, it's packed full of crap.
It's probably a little bit bigger than my trunk.
It's got so much stuff packed in it.
Oh yeah, but no dead bodies or anything.
No.
None of that. This carpeting can't be original.
It's
Is
all
it?
original, yeah.
Wow. Has the spare tire even ever been used, do you think?
Honestly, I don't know. Nope.
No, right?
Still got the original
It's
paint
got
on
the
it.
blue lines on it too.
Yep.
How about that?
That's
this
amazing.
Legion thing, so you're part of the Legion?
I'm a Legion member, yeah.
Okay.
But we used to do car shows at the Cooksville Legion,
Okay,
and then that's how I got that.
good for you. That is beautiful, actually.
Yeah.
Very nice. I can't believe even up here on the underside,
Isn't that nice?
like why, I mean, nobody does this anymore.
No.
Just so lovely. The care they put into building
Oh,
these
God.
cars.
That's what made these a very valuable car when they were
Definitely.
new.
So now here's a question though. Cadillacs, Lincoln, they're kind of at the same level in terms of luxury.
Pretty much, yeah.
Would you say that there are certain things about a Cadillac that are better than a Lincoln, or would you say it's the other way around?
I don't know. I kind of like the Lincoln.
Yeah.
But, you know, they're both very close to the
Very
same
close,
quality.
very similar.
The old ones are anyway. The new ones, no.
Not so much, I agree, yeah. Oh, she's lovely. Can we Okay, Les.
Go for a little drive.
I can't believe how quiet and smooth the engine is.
Okay, where are we going to?
Okay, you're gonna go out the school lot that way? You're gonna head for that exit there? I love these dolls in the back. Did you give them names?
No.
You never did.
No.
You know you have to. How smooth is this?
Oh, it is. And right now, at some points it gets a little rough because it's been sitting all winter, you know?
Yes, yes.
It hasn't been out much this year yet. But
What do you put in gas here? Like premium?
now I use premium because the regular gas, if you leave it sit all winter,
Yeah.
it goes rotten. It doesn't do anything.
Okay. So premium unleaded is the way to go, isn't
Yeah. Plus I use seafoam fuel conditioner.
it? Okay, yes.
And that stuff was invented in the 40s in the U.S.
All
for
right.
aircraft and marine use.
Got it. You can turn left here or
Left,
right,
okay.
whichever way you wish. We're just going to go around the block.
No problem.
You know what else is really cool about this car? Is that hood ornament.
Yeah.
Because you know exactly though the front of the car
Oh, yeah.
is. It is
I
so
like that.
cool. Oh, fantastic. So going back, you mentioned it earlier. What was the very first car you ever drove in? That you drove? Not
my-
necessarily owned, but let's say you drove.
Oh, yes.
And you can turn right
My
here.
first one I think was a 54 Ford.
54 Ford.
That thing blew up and because it was old.
It blew up because of what? If you going too fast?
No,
Oh,
it wasn't in good shape to start
oh
with.
for that reason. Okay, I'll let you go.
So at that time I dumped it and I got a 48
Right.
Ford. And that was a beautiful car. I loved it.
Okay.
Then I got a 50. And then I got a 47 Mercury pickup.
Okay.
I traded that for a Mustang.
Okay.
So I've had all kinds of these toys.
You've had a number of cars,
Oh,
but they
God.
all seem to be Ford.
A lot were, yeah.
You had other makes as well, like a General Motor car, for
Basically only one. The last one I had, my son has now, it's a 62 Impala.
example. Okay, they're beautiful too, though.
Oh yeah. I customized it a bit and
Okay,
it was beautiful shape.
you could turn right here.
Yep.
Yeah. So that was your first foray into going into GM then,
Oh yeah.
but it didn't last long then. Hey, Les,
Oh.
you came back to Ford pretty darn quickly.
I had that 62 Impala for, let me see, I bought it in 86.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is lovely.
My son just got it last year, so had it for quite a while.
At least it's in the family, right? And it's
Yep.
taking care of it.
I told him a few times, if you need the money, sell the car.
Yeah.
Nope, I'm not selling it.
Good for him. Good for him. Oh, she's just beautiful. The ride on this car is incredible.
Oh, yeah.
You just can't beat it. You can turn into any one of these streets and we can loop back.
Oh, want to go up this one? Okay. I used to have a friend own a repair shop up here.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Like a auto repair?
Yeah.
Okay. I just can't get over the smoothness of this, Les.
Oh, yeah, that's...
And this is so comfortable. Like way better than most, like even my couch at home is not this.
Yeah, I hear you. Oh, look at the Cadillac.
Oh, that is a beauty right there. Oh, that is nice. I'm gonna have to chase that one down. That's gorgeous. See, there's something about these old cars, isn't there? It's just so much character. And of course, this being the Lincoln, top of the line, so it's got all the bells and whistles, air conditioning, you name it.
Yeah.
But she's probably a little bit thirsty on the gas too, hey?
A little more than a normal car would be,
For sure.
but I never complain about that.
No, true enough. As they say, you know what? It's miles per gallon and not miles per gallon.
Yeah.
It makes you happy and that's what matters.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Usually I like to go to the car show every Saturday, but
Yeah.
my granddaughter goes with me. She just loves it.
Really?
Yeah.
Good for her. How old is she?
God, she's got to be coming up on 18, I think.
Wow. Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, she's got her driver's license. And,
So is she eyeing the Lincoln?
oh, she loves the Lincoln.
Oh, I bet.
She goes to college at Waterloo University.
No way. Good for her. What is she doing? What program?
I'm not sure, to be honest.
So hang on. You spend all this time with her, but you didn't ask her? You know what you're going to do when you go home, right? You're going to ask her, so what are you studying?
We got so many kids in the family. It's
Well, how many do you have?
well, when my wife and I got together, she had 2 and I had 3.
Right.
Now we have 11 grandkids
Oh,
and
fantastic.
4 great-grands.
Oh, lucky you. Congratulations.
But it's a big family.
I know.
Oh,
That's special, though,
Here we
especially
go.
around Christmas
We're going
time.
in,
like
right?
that. Yep, back in there. It's all about family, Les.
oh yeah, sure is.
And remember back in the day when people didn't really fuss about seat belts and everything else, you could probably get 6 or 7 kids in the back there.
Yeah.
Who needs a minivan, right?
Exactly.
Let me just say thank you. Thank you for coming out, meeting with me today, showed me this beautiful car of yours. You know what I did forget to ask you to do? And I don't know whether you can do it, because I don't want to wrap it. When you put your turn signals on, will that actually light up
I'm not
when you
sure.
turn your wheel? Should we give it a try?
I'll try it and see.
Yeah, let's see that. Oh, it does. Look at that. You see?
Holy crow.
That's that little... See, you didn't even know that, did you? You
No,
just
'cause I
learned
never
something.
looked.
There we go. Oh, that's fantastic. And if you stop the indicator, does it turn off then? Yes, it does. Okay. All right, you can close the door.
Turn it off.
Yep, turn it off. Oh, Les, that's lovely. Stand beside the driver's seat for
sorry,
a
yeah.
second. Yeah, no worry. Don't run away on me. All right, Les, what can I say? Thank you so much. Thank you for spending the time sharing this gorgeous machine with me. And I hope it's going to bring many, many more years of joy for you as well.
Me too. You're very welcome.
Oh, thank you, Les.